don't know what the fuck these are, but I'm gonna use these bitches to pick up my chicken. I ate some fried pineapple, baby. Nah, I'm bougie right now. I'm on my bougie tip right now. What do you mean using fingers? That's so ghetto. That is so ghetto. No, we on another level right now. You feel me? We on another level right now. The hell? Use my fingers? Who does that? I fucks with it. I fucks with it. I don't know what this is. Some kind of meat. That motherfucker hella soft. Huh. And I think this is a oyster. I could be wrong. Thì chấm như thế này là sao?
Cái sốt tiêu đó mình sẽ ăn chung với bò. Hai cái món này cũng sẽ ăn chung với sốt.
I serve an awesome God, baby. What can I say? You feel me? I know the plans that I have for you, said the Lord. Plans not to harm you, but to give you hope in the future. You feel me?